Here I am with Godson. Godson, I notice you've cooked soup today.
Yes, Cindy.
And what sort of soup is it?
Well, as we call it, yellow soup, you know, we call it yellow soup. Obviously, it's a pumpkin soup with chicken foot.
Yeah.
And chicken mixed together with all the Jamaican ingredients, as we know. Everything is in it you can think of. Every single thing.
Okay, so chicken foot?
Yes, you know, we can't leave out the dumpling them, you know. We have sweet potato.
And I notice you have corn in your soup.
We have corn,
we
have yam, we have banana, we have dasheen, we have chocho, we have Irish, we have carrot.
Wow.
We have cocoa, you name it, Cindy. Anything else you need?
No, I'm just trying to get the ingredients for you. I'm just trying to get the ingredients for your soup, Godson.
Yeah, man, and it's rich, yes.
But I love bananas, you know. And I've noticed here you've got banana, but you mentioned something about putting banana in your soup.
Yes, we have to cut up a little green banana we give the soup the body, you know.
Really?
With the sweet potato. So, true, we never remember forget a slice of breadfruit, but all of that just make it up.
Wow.
Green banana, you just cut it up,
Mm-hmm.
and just, you know, sweet potato in it. So that's why the soup is rich. It's rich, because it gives the soup the body, Cindy. See, then a bag of water, nothing.
Okay.
It's rich.
That is something new to me, and you know why, Aunt Ina? I'm gonna tell you.
New to you?
I'm gonna tell you. No, I thought because it's when I'm doing soup. No, when I'm doing soup, I thought.
When your mom was cooking.
No, Mom never put green banana in soup. Never. The only time she put green banana in soup is when she was doing manish water.
Okay.
That's the only time. Never.
So you live and you learn.
You live and you learn. Do you put banana in soup?
Oh yes, of course I do.
Banana in soup?
Yes.
Pumpkin
I do.
soup?
Yes, you cut it small. You cut it small in like half-inch sizes.
That is news to me.
Oh yes.
I can't wait to taste this soup, Godson.
Yeah?
I cannot wait to taste this soup. Go on then.
Why you cannot wait, Cindy?
Because I'm 55 years and April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 55 years and 7 months old. And and this is the first time. Well, I'm actually looking forward to drinking this soup anyway, and I'll give you the verdict, okay?
Most definitely. So,
did you put noodle in it? Chicken noodle?
Come on, man. Have to, yes.
What sort of chicken noodle?
I put the pumpkin noodle in there. I've got two choice. I could have put the chicken noodle in.
Yeah.
But I choose the one that said pumpkin noodle.
The pumpkin noodle?
Yeah.
No
choices.
Tell me what is the difference, because I mostly use cock soup. I always use cock soup for mine.
Grace is the best.
Grace is the best, as we all know. Nothing beat Grace cock soup or Nate back home ingredients.
So tell me why you decide to use pumpkin
because
soup.
Honestly, that's what I see my mom use. Like these, you know, you can't cook soup without not putting in one of these, you know, one of these flavored noodles.
Did you buy it because you couldn't get the cock soup, or was that your choice?
You know what? It was more than one choice. I bought two.
Okay.
I bought two of them.
Now I've learned something new, so maybe Saturday I'll have to try out your recipe.
And hopefully I'll definitely drink some of yours on Saturday, because you know I'm here.
Okay. No problem. Thanks a lot, Godson, for that.
Yeah.
I've learned something new, okay?
Yes.
And Aunt Ina, thank you for your input.
Yes, and save me some of your Saturday soup as well. Yes, I would love to partake.
Most definitely. Okay, cool.